Welcome back everybody to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to be doing a pork loin on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, so stick around. Alright everybody, so here's what we got. We have a, it's about a 2-pound pork loin, half boneless in the bag. So this is what you got now. I did have a little bit of fat on the opposite side. I simply just kind of trim the fat off. You can a lot of times get these with it already being trimmed, but I trimmed this one. It's super simple. I actually have a video that can show you how to do that. And so the first thing that you want to do, this is for sharpening your knives. All right, so all you want to do is go right in the middle of the pork loin here, and it just slides through like butter if you have one of these. Just like that. Slides right through. If you don't have one of these, this is what we're going to be doing the rotisserie on. You can actually, I tried it, use the rotisserie and actually push it through. It'll also work like that. So all we're going to do is go ahead and push that right through just like that. Get that thing right in there and then put the other side on. Just like that. Actually, put the screw down. All right, get that into the pork, and it's just that easy. That's how easy it is, just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and season this thing up, and then we'll season it and get you back to the air fryer and get it in for you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and season this up, but like on a lot of stuff in the rotisserie, you want to use this barbecue twine to kind of keep it together. So I've already done these two right here, and it's real simple. Just put the twine underneath, just make it kind of tight. Just regular knot. You're good there. Scissors, knife, whatever you want. Chop off the excess, and we are good to go. So let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. All right, there you go, guys. It's literally that simple. We'll meet you over the air fryer and throw this thing in. The pork loin. Here it is. Let me show you right here what's inside. So we got a couple of racks, one on each side. This thing, literally, if you can see that, it just goes right there, and the other one goes on the other side. That simple. You have a red button right here. You see that black thing in the back, you just push, and it opens right up, just like that. So I'm gonna set this camera down and set it right in there for you. All right, all we gotta do is hit this red button right here, just like that. That back pops open. Push it right back in, and we're good to go. Just like that. Close this door. Come up here. Power button. 400 degrees. They want 30 minutes. Oop, We'll go 30 minutes. Oh wait, sorry guys. Rotisserie, there we go. Gotta hit that rotisserie button. And we are absolutely rotating. There we go guys, we'll see you in about 30 minutes. All right guys, there's that's 30 minutes in. So I just got my thermometer here. Now you want the internal temperature of this thing to be about 145. All right guys, we just got the final beep. So it was an additional 10 minutes, so 40 minutes total cook time. I actually, without putting through the inconvenience, I actually used the thermometer and put it in there and was reading anywhere from 145 to about 160 on the very ends. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing out, and it's very simple. We'll just go ahead and hit this red button right here. Stick the thing in here, and oh man, look at that. That is looking absolutely beautiful. All right, we'll catch you at the cutting board. All right guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, it is very awesomely cooked all the way around. You got a little burnt on that one side. Everything turned out So good. I reached the temperature that I wanted to reach. 145 degrees. On the ends, we're about 160 degrees, so a little hotter on them, but that's expected. So I'm just gonna cut into this and see what we got, guys. Oh yeah, if we can see what's going on here. The hole in the middle obviously was what we put in there. Oop, dang it, I'm getting juices on the floor. I'm gonna cut this up for you guys real quick, just to see. Oh my gosh. I mean, the juices are just flowing. They're all over the cutting board. Oh. Amazing. Very good. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the rest of this up. I'm gonna bring you back for the grand finale. All right, guys, so that is how you do a pork loin on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. It turned out awesome. We had perfect temperatures in the middle, a little warm on the outside than what I would like, but overall, a super great job. You can't go wrong with rotisserie. It turned out amazing and juicy. This is just a basic video. You can add herbs, spices, barbecue sauces, anything that you want to this. This is just to show you how to do it. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. This is the first video of 2019 for the Power Air Fryer Elite. I'm gonna leave an iCard up here with all the other stuff from jerky, from chicken, from wings, all kinds of stuff in this iCard. Check that out too. And you know what? We will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.